All right, so today is day 5 and 6. Today is day 5 and 6 together of my road to payout with Tradeify. I fucked up today, big time. $726 loss. Yesterday, uh, yesterday was a winner, 375. Today was a loss. Here's today's trade. My first trade was here. Supposed to go short on this level right here. This strategy I'm gonna scrap. I'm not gonna use it anymore. I'm just gonna stick to one setup. So I was supposed to go short over here, and at some point I was down. I was up a good $100, and then it went against me. Okay, I was aiming to back to the bottom over here. My second strategy was uh, I longed 5 micros over here. Okay, uh, and that was a FOMO. That was a FOMO trade. Okay, because I'm supposed to wait for a pullback to the 50 EMA low, this area over here. I was supposed to wait for that pullback, and if you see here on a 15-minute chart on MES, right? When I entered this long 5 micros, I was way up there. Okay, I should have waited for a pullback to enter right here. Okay, which is what I did. So I let that 5 micros run, and it stopped me out over here. Okay, on this at the bottom of this candle, and then uh, but I open on MES on ES itself. I open a position over here, right? Once I hit that one, and I would have been fine, right? Because I'm still not stopped out, right? But I got stopped out because of this entry over here on MES. It was way too far down and hit my daily loss limit. So my first trade, right, today, my first trade was legit, okay? Boom, stopped out, no problem. My second trade was this one over here. This one was not legit. I shouldn't been on this trade, and this one lost me $303. Okay, so if I didn't take this trade, I would still be in these 5 micro trades outside of the place. I will still be in the game today, right? Because I still have available drawdown. So, long story short, I'm gonna scrap this strategy over here, right? Because yes, it works, but it's not as profitable as the other one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it from my chart. And then now on this account, where is it? I have like 800 something available drawdown before I lose the account. So what I have to do now is I'm gonna reduce my size, okay, to instead of trading 10 micros, I'm gonna reduce to 5, so I can stay a little longer in the game. Let me see if I can find my, what is this? Yeah, this one right here. You can see this account. Uh, if I lose 800 more, I'm done with this account. So I'll start over again tomorrow, not tomorrow, when the market's opened again after the holidays, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. But so yeah, that's it pretty much. I keep making the same mistake of not following my rules, right? So this trade over here should have been there. Hindsight being 2020. If I would have listened, if I would have followed my strategy, right? I should have entered over here on the 15-minute chart, right? I should have entered on this entry over here, which I did on ES, right? Not MES. On ES, I bought one contract. and still be, profitable, right? Not profitable, but in the trade. Okay, stop loss 6 points, right? And maybe 10 points target over there, right? So that's it pretty much. I do have an Apex account that's still trading today, and this one, this is today's results, right? So right now I'm gonna turn all this off. Okay, I'm trading 3 funded accounts, 2 Tradeify accounts, one my funded futures account. This one right here, this one's funded, and then see I'm copy trading all those accounts, and this one is at Apex eval. Okay, and that's a very deep on drawdown also, and I have this trade open on MES, right? Okay, and I have this one open on ES on Apex. So this one has not hit my daily loss limit yet, so we'll see what happens. But it seems like it will, because the market keeps going down. Very choppy day today. Ah, yeah. So that's it, guys. We'll see what happens tomorrow. That's it for today.